Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a file to Notion, and it's pretty simple. So go to the setting option of your Notion app, and here you can see this import option. Simply tap on here, and in here you will see some of the app from where you can import your data. And you don't need to be panic if you don't see the app from where you want to import your data. In the last option you can see this upload from your computer. So if you simply tap on here, you can upload the data from here and simply import it, or either you can choose any of the app from here. You just need to be import your data and simply click on this open option. As you can see, this data is going to be imported. Or if you choose any other apps as like Asana, Weave or anything, you just need to log in your app and just need to be download your data. So that's a easy way how you can import a file to your Notion app. That's all for today's video. Hope this video found you helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.